Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, guys, today I'm going to show you a tip on TikTok, and that is how to make your TikTok account. How to make your account a pro account. Now, of course, a pro account is similar to on Instagram or so on, where basically you switch to a business account that influencers use, where you can actually see stats on your videos in terms of reach of the videos, who has been viewing your videos, and basically all the details that you'd need to target your audience and grow a following. So if you are a person that's wanting to start a following on TikTok, this is where you would start working on that. All right, so let's get straight into it. And the first thing you're gonna do, guys, is just go ahead right off the bat, find the TikTok application. Go ahead and launch. Now, once you launch the TikTok application, you should go ahead and go from wherever you are. You may be on the home feed, go over to the me or the profile here. Once you're there, just simply go ahead and tap the me or profile icon. And once you're here, it should be the same on Android as well as iPhone. Go ahead and touch the three dots up or right. Then you're going to go to manage account, my account. And once you're in manage my account, next, go ahead from here and you're going to look all the way down here. You see the option to switch to a pro account. You're going to tap, and of course it will bring you to this screen. Now it will walk you through the process. Is get a TikTok pro account. A free pro account gives you the tools to grow and track your performance. And of course there is the option here. You can look, it says you will be able to view analytics, find out how your videos perform and more about your followers. And of course, if that's your aim, just go ahead, guys, and click on continue. And once you hit continue, it gives you a choice and you can basically run through the wizard here. Are you a public figure, personal, blog, education, media? And of course, based on what you want it for, you can scroll through the options. Is there cooking related, travel, NGO, government, politics, you name it. Now, by choosing a correct category, you'll be able to choose, for example, what works best for you. So just go ahead and choose based on your type of content. And so for me, I'm going to choose education. And of course, I'm just going to go ahead and hit next. And once you hit next, it asks you here, choose your gender. And of course, I'm just going to choose. And it does ask you to verify your email. And from here, it's going to send you a code. So just go ahead and send the code. Once it's all done, it should go ahead and send you the code. And of course, you should start seeing stats as relate to your videos and so on, or your TikToks and how they perform. All right, so it's basically self-explanatory from here. So I'm just going to leave it right here, guys. So this is Ricardo Gardner as usual from Blog Tech Tips. So then also the quick tips showing you to switch to a pro account on your TikTok. It's quite easy. Just follow the directions. Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.